What's good, everyone? Back on another video here today. In today's video, well, just got some schoolwork to finish up, some videos to react to as well. I mean, you see how time permits us, but yeah, just gotta, you know, I won't lie, man. There really isn't much I wanted to like. I didn't really know how to or what I make a video about today. I was just like, I try to be consistent. So I was like, let me see what video I can, just get out there. And yeah, pretty much, man, just showing you all again with my assignment I'm doing, like, just going through with you all again. And yeah, I just have a little bit of sort of finish, not really that too much to do. But there's a certain section I'm just focusing on, and I said I ChatGPT, so it shouldn't really take this long. So that's why I kind of added like the videos to react to, because I don't think what I'm going to do here is going to take that long. I mean, we'll see. But yeah, just want to share this experience here with you, and I need to stop saying as well, and I need to get that out of my system. And this is and I said it again too. This is annoying, but it is what it is. So yeah, make sure you like the video, share, subscribe, and yeah, I guess I don't really want to waste too much time. What else do I have to say? Oh, see, yeah, I think that's about it. So yeah, let's dive into it, man. All right, bang, there we go. So as I said, I already have it pulled up. So let me switch these things here. Oop, my bad. Hold on. Switch this here. Switch this here. Yeah, so you can see that I already have everything up. So as I literally said, just for me to copy and paste everything, like there is really much to do. So well, I should say copy and paste. Copy maybe is the wrong rhetoric to use here, but just to copy what they say and basically do my own adjustments to the document, right? So we're just gonna do that here for this, and yeah, I guess let me get it straight into it. So let's start with the functional requirements. So, because yeah, that was all I had to complete. So I just had to get a definition for functional requirements. Oh, so sorry. Wait, I remember what I was gonna say. If you all remember what I did in the previous stream, you'll kind of get a breakdown on how I did everything. I went through on how to do it, and the guidance and everything on how you can pretty much get ChatGPT to do your assignments for you. So it's pretty much like what I'm doing here just a continuation. Like I'm just what I'm gonna do in the stream, just like pretty much just like completing the assignment, to be honest. So yeah, let me click on this. It's already gave me a bad PDF file. Damn. Yeah, it gave me a bad PDF file. I need to get another definition for this. Oh, this one though. Did it give me a good definition for this one? Right click download PDF. Like this. Yeah, okay, so this one's a good one. Okay, so it gave me a good one there. That's two. Usability. Where's this one? October. You know what? What I will do is, yeah, that's okay. They kind of give me some bad references, and as I mentioned in my, hold on. Okay. Yeah, as I what I mentioned in my previous video or previous live stream yesterday, right, is that if they're giving you bad results, one option is that you can't just tell it, well, yo, look, you give me bad references, whatever, blah blah blah. Or you can simply just click on the link like this, right, and then just copy the title, then search it by Google, and then you can see you get like PDF files pop up, which you can use. There's nothing wrong with using these things here, right? So there's that. Let's see. So what are free documents? If I type PDF, what the hell? Okay. Bro, my phone is going off, man. What the hell, bro? Gosh, damn it. Um, so yeah, I just had to find the right, the right or the correct references for this. So let's have to look through a bit here. So I said some of this here would, this is just like what you're gonna have to do when you're like completing assignments, especially using ChatGPT. So I said it's not perfect, but it can give you good guidance on where you can what's what I'm looking for. It can give you good guidance, but sometimes it's like, like do better. So, but because I don't really want to like, because I can, to be honest, I can. You know what I would tell it is that, yeah, now I know, yeah, let me do it. So I'll be like, okay, you did not. Oh wait, I forgot. I keep forgetting that you all cannot see this. So let me zoom up a bit. Zoom up one more. I think that's a bit too much. Honestly, yeah, but 125 should be good. Yeah. So I'll be like, okay, you did not give me. And yeah, and also as well, I did mention this in my other stream as well. Is that even when you're not getting good references as well too. Like sometimes you just have to keep repeating yourself to it, and I keep telling everybody you're doing this wrong, whatever, blah blah blah. Because I said it will find the information. Sometimes you just have to adjust it by whatever year you want the information to be. So it's kind of iffy sometimes, man. But it'll get a job done. So let me just show it back again. So I'll be like, okay, you did not give me you did not give me proper references for functional. Let me just instead of like typing this full entire thing back over, because yeah, I'm not able to do that. For functional requirements, and let's go to usability. Sorry, hold on. And usability, and then I'll be like, this is what I'm gonna type. It just me showing my frustration, and once you kind of show a bit of frustration, it kind of like the AI kind of like gets itself together and produces the information properly for you. And it's kind of weird, but there's some kind of emotional based connection to it for some reason. Same as well with like with Google Gemini as well. So I'll be like, I told you um I told you a million times already to use free journal articles that I can get access from to read the data, and I also said that you can use information that is 10 years old. So if we are in 20, well, I'll be like, not in, so we are in 2025. So 2015, 2015 will be the latest, right? And then I'll be like, you you can find free journal articles from page research gate, um, ResearchGate, Google Scholar, etc. Just to name a few, right? I forgot to put one more. Science, Science Direct, right? I absolutely butchered that name, but that's okay. So now I'm just gonna press enter, and you'll see that it will go ahead and look for the information. It's gonna take a while because it's gonna search as you can see. So well, I shouldn't say it's gonna take a while. Maybe it might take let's say a minute, 30 seconds. Yeah, well, sorry, 30 seconds to 1 minute. It should take. So let's see. Can't really do anything about this. It's just like on ChatGPT at this point here. So you know, just gotta wait and see, man. Wait and see. Let's smile and wave, boy. Smile and wave. If you know the movie, you know the movie. Just smile and wave, man. But yeah, I'm just while that is loading, because I do have a lot of so I have like 10 function requirements, then 7, then 5. Okay, and I see how it numbered it as well too. Interesting. So go back. We had to go and fix. You know what? Could probably fix that in the meanwhile. You know why this is lagging? It's lagging a bit for some weird reason. But okay. But yeah, let me just put the numbers down for these one time as I'm here waiting for this. This be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you know what? Let me just switch it there real quick. I don't know why the hell it went quiet there though. Yeah, let me just switch. We'll come back to it, but while it's still it's still loading up, so we'll come back to it. Let's hit insert. Now well, I was about to say it's working, but it just glitched. So add a row below. It was 10 rows, today 6. Man, can you not like input more than one, man? Man, Microsoft, man. You're trying to tell me I have to keep doing this one by one, bro. This is annoying as hell, man. 7, 8, 9, and then 10, right? And then let's go to non-functional. Non-functional was 7. So it had n, shoots, my bad. N. Then 1, sorry. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then insert below 6, and then 7. Let's put an n and n, 6, and then 7. Right, so that's 1, 2, and then the last one. Let me hit this with our back button real quick. And I had 5. So let's go to U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after delete. Right. So now that is done. This is still loading, by the way. So see that even though I would have done that, see that it's still loading. So yeah, that is why I say that sometimes you can't just do it for yourself if you want to, or you can just wait for it. So or sometimes it may just crash. So okay, let's just hit exit page then. Hold on. It probably worked though. Or it might have not worked. Okay, now it works. But why is it giving me a whole long description though? The function requirements. Yeah, I don't know why it's giving me a whole like this is completely unnecessary, man. Yeah, this is I don't know why it's giving me a whole definition, bro. Yeah, because some of these things here aren't even like that correct, man. So what I'll be like, so no wonder why it was taking so long. So I'll be like, okay, I told you, okay. I'll be like, okay, let me be more specific that all I wanted is a reference for both the not yeah, because if I say both, it may actually put it together. So I'll be like, I wanted okay, let me be more specific that all I wanted is a reference. Um well I say all I wanted is data from a free journal article from Google Scholar Research Gate Sage Science Direct. Very quick, so let me mostly all I wanted is let me remove this. All I wanted is data from a free journal article from Google Scholar Research Gate and Sage um, defining the definition of functional requirements and usability requirements, right? And then I'll be like, there's one part I'm missing. I kind of forgot. Hold on. What am I figuring? So, and the information can be no less than 2015 since we since we are in 2025. All right, let's see. Let's see if it understands from here. Because I said it's as I said, like it do like for some reason, like I don't get what they did to like the to the LLMs, right? With these things for some reason because like they it's like it doesn't understand basic instructions for some reason. It's like it tries to do too much, man. Like as you clearly saw above, like I don't know why it tries to do so much sometimes. Like bro, it's just a simple definition I wanted. I didn't need all that other gibberish, man. But we'll see, man. But it looks like it finally understand that assignment, man. So it's only now to see if these things they actually work. So the function requirements, whatever, blah blah blah, another paper, citation, pistol, open link. Okay, okay, this is a national, yeah, okay, that is good, that is good, that is good, that's one good one there, that is good. I think it's from the same website as well too. Let's see. Yeah, nah, this is good. But even though I know it's showing a 404 error, but all you simply have to do is, so what was it? This was it right here, right? Just copy this thing simply right here, or just search with Google, and then voila, you can see that it pops up right there. Then you see that the free full text, see where it came from. Well, you didn't really have to click there. think there's a way, think there's a way. Oh, okay. So okay, looks like this was a free one. Okay, my bad. This was a free one. Yeah, look, this was a free one. But there's a way to open a document as well. I just don't remember. Um, you have okay. View publish on site. There's a way to open. There it is. Yeah, I was looking for the way to open it. There it is. A function requirements for medical. Yeah, so that is that. So I'll just copy this link here and let's remove these two. Speaking of removing, let's remove some of these here too, so the Chrome looks a bit cleaner. Move some of these things here. Move this. Remove that. Right. And then let's go back to it now. So there's also functional requirements. And then let's go to usability. And usability was this. So let's copy this or search with Google. And then here we go. And then if I go to full text, and well, you know, you can take it from here, it's pretty much there you go. Or you can just go to Science Direct. Right. Let's see. Accept all cookies. Then download PDF file and then bang. So yeah, you can see pretty much that's just how we do it, man. That is how you do it. So that's, yeah, I said for it may give you like the wrong link to the information that that you're trying to look up to. But as I said, simply just copy the title and the publisher, and yeah, pretty much get information from there, man. So and you see it did the references well. It did the reference all right, but yeah. So now that we have the definition for this, right? Let me just switch back the screens now, and let's get to writing, man. So, because I don't want to make it seem like I'm just looking at somewhere else, let's just copy this here. Let's do so, and saying functional requirements articulate what the system must do, the capabilities, tasks or services it must provide in a medical data integration context. For example, function requirements specifically function requirements specify the system or system element functions or tasks to be performed. So pretty much what I'm going to say here is I can be like according to Kinestel et al. I actually butchered your name so much. Kin AST. Wait, and how much? I'll look back at this real quick. Okay, yeah, it already is et al. Okay, so let's be et al. Dot comma, and let's open up this. And this was taken from what year? This is all usability. What year was this from? See if I can find it. Oh, it's in 2023. Man, that's so funny how we can't. This is so funny, man. See, imagine that it can't find data from from 2020 to 2025, when I tell about yo, I only have to use references that are 5 years old. When I change it to 10, all of a sudden now it understands, to look for information in 2023. Like, bro, what? Anyhow, whatever, man. It is, man, this, bro. ChatGPT, man. Y'all are some jokers, man. But so I'll be like, so going to Kenneth et al. um functional 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 requirements, functional requirements describe exactly what the application is supposed to operate. I can be like, thus the I can be task or services that I'll stick with this one for now. Yeah, I'll stick with this. All right, so let's get a reference for this one. Go down to this, and then and well, to kind of help you as well with the references, because I don't think I touched on that in the previous stream. But when you're creating references, make sure that it's in alphabetical order. So meaning that, like, well, as alphabetical order, right? But also as well, like when it comes to the numbers as well, like you can see right here, like always make sure that the 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 I guess you can say the least number will be first. So yeah, just like how alphabets, like how A is, it will always be number one, like zero would be pretty much basically be always number one. So we're not almost, it is number one. So let's get a reference for this. And yeah, I don't want to copy. Yeah, that's one. I don't want to copy it from there, so I rather just type it out, because I'm trying to not have too much plagiarism, even though this technically, you know what? This technically wouldn't count though, so yeah, never mind. I can actually copy this. Hold on. Oh, man, it wrote a citation like trash, man, so never mind, bruh. Hold on. The site. Man, alright, I gotta type this out, man. Bruh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Well, yeah, I think anything after G is K. So let's go to K. Man, they didn't really know how many, bruh. There's no way for the citations, bruh. Man, that's so, man. I'm on YouTube, so I wouldn't say the word, man, but damn it, man, that's so annoying, bro. So really had to go and type this whole entire thing out, because it needs to give me the proper reference. Nice, man. Nice. Wonderful. Alright. This shouldn't really take too long. I won't lie. I'm just over exaggerating. But it is annoying having to do this, even though you give it specific instructions on how to do it, and for some reason it still doesn't get how to do a references properly, which is, very strange, man. But it is what it is. Let's copy this title now. Let's remove this, put this back to normal. Then hit it with a comma. And then I need to find, what was the publisher? What did it put as a publisher? Well, let me open up the document. This was a Photoshop. Okay. Where is it? There we go. Put this right there, comma this, and then what is the page? So it's 25 and what the hell? They're like 25 and okay, not put this as 25 and then 41344. Yeah, I don't know what that's supposed to mean, man. That was so weird. Then page one to let's go all the way down, man. Page one all the way to page 18. All right, then do so, then do that, and then available at set it with this, then copy the link. I can just find the link. Ah, there we go. Copy this. All right, then hit access. This will be on the 6th of October 2025. I wanna honestly, I may have to get glasses, man. But now I'm struggling to kind of see these things here. It's kind of may have to get glasses soon, man. Right, so that is one done. Make sure everything is okay. And it looks clean, looks nice. All right, so that is one done. And then let's move on to the other definition, which is a non-functional. So let's get it done. And already had the non-functional pulled up here already. So I think I would have downloaded it, but it will not be getting removed. Well, hold on, I'll get it for you real quick. All right, so that is up. Let's go back all the way to the top, man. So this was the definition that they gave. So let me type something. All right, cool. It's not. So non-functional requirements specifically qualified such as performance, reliability, and security rather than functions. So I'll be like. So I'll be like, what can I use here? They didn't actually have. Bruh. Alright, so it's not really. So I can be like, so I'll be like, could use back the same rhetoric as well too, but I don't really want to copy that. So I'll be like, non-functional requirements. I could be like, focuses on aspects such as security, reliability, and performance rather than the functions of the application, right? So now that I wrote that, that should be good. Now let's get the reference for this. And we already have it pulled up here. So it is DONGMO, comma dot and then C dot, oh sorry, I'm writing for I'm writing like if I'm actually writing, all right, that is 2024. All right, let's remove this now. All right, let's scroll all the way down, add it to the reference list. So his name was D, pause. So D O N G M O, comma, this, and then C dot, then 2024. Then let's put this in brackets, well, in commas, sorry. Bro, copy, man. What the hell? I copy this, so then let's find, it came from computers. Computers, then hit it with a comma like this, and then I believe it looks like it's 13. Yeah, 13 and 3. So 13, 308, comma, this, page, then 1, 2, we scroll all the way down. 20. Right. Then hit this with that, then available at, we get a link. Oh shoot, I almost put a ChatGPT link. Yo, wait, let me make sure. Wait, hold on. Where is my other link? I want to make sure I didn't put a ChatGPT link. I almost was about to. Yeah, nah, okay, it didn't today. All right, cool. Almost forgot to not put a ChatGPT link, man. Remove this. Remove this. Copy this here. Then right, it popped up there. All right, Control C this, Control C, and then where is it again? Right, Control V this, then access. I believe it was 6th of October, 2025. Right, so that is 2 definitions down. Let's get the last one now. So this is usability, and then we already had one for usability. So let's go back to it. So this was a definition for usability. Copy this, paste this here, and we get a definition. But well, actually, we already had a definition, so we don't need to get one. We already have one. Let's remove some of these things here. Right. So saying that usability is the extent to which users can achieve goals with effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction, measured through task success rate, time on task, and satisfaction scores. Okay. So I can be like, usability requirements. Say is the extent to which users achieve goals. The usability requirements. If I hit the word focuses, I need to see something. Focuses. Let's see. Is there any? I like emphasize. I like emphasize. So usability requirement, well, not emphasize. Usability requirement emphasizes usability requirements. I can be like, I guess, pays attention to pays attention to if the application meets the client's meets the client's needs. This is what's another word for measured. Okay, I like this is determined by my satisfaction scores, time on task, and success rates. Right? And now let's put the definition. Sorry, don't ever put a full stop there. I'm wondering, I mean, we'll see. So let me now remove this, right? And then let me get a definition now. So I already have it pulled up. Yeah, this is why I wish I could get a citation, man, because this is, man, this is, man, there's a bunch of people here, man. That's all the comma. What year did this came out? What year did this came out? I'm seeing the year. It's not being very specific on the year. I'm trying to find it. What the hell? Okay, I found it. God damn, my eyes are, man, this thing is straight in my eyes, bro. Hold on. 2022, okay. God damn, bro. That, man, that just is so small, bro. Let's remove all this here. Then let's go to, so his name starts with K. So it is K-E-R, K, A-B-C-D-E, and yeah, Isa's above K, well, above, sorry, above that one. Keenan, J dot, well, sorry, wait, Keenan, comma, H dot L dot, comma, then we go to Duke, comma, S dot L dot, comma again, then let's go to this brother, Rawad, comma, this H dot, comma, then 2D, comma, G dot A dot, and then and Patel, comma, R dot S dot, right? And then let's get the year. Yeah, it was 2022. Oh wait, shoot, did I even? Oh, I didn't put a year. Never mind. 2022, right? Thanks a lot for that. Go back to this, right? 2022. Put that there. Copy this whole entire title. Copy this, copy this. Gosh damn it, why did it open me up? Ah, no, I closed it. All right, copy this. And then I think this is, what, is there any, it's not saying anything with the site. It's not showing the site. Okay, I see it. 24, comma this. Wait, no, I think it's 24. 24, put this in brackets. Oh, it didn't have a volume. Okay, never mind. Pages dot 67. Well, sorry, it didn't have Forgot the other name, what they call it. The issue number. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. And then available at. And then let me copy the link. Right. Access. Damn, this was long, man. Wow, I didn't know that. I've been so gotten into the stuff, and it's damn, this is long, mate. Access 6th October, right? 26th of October, 2025, right? So let me just do this, right? All right, that was the good. All that is good. All that is good. Right. So now let's get into actual functionalities, right? Remove all these things now. I don't know, that would take me so long, man. That's a lot to do there, man. All right. Shoot, so long. I guess let's start with the shorter one first, I guess, which is usability requirements. This one was very short. So they telling me requirements is learnability, efficiency, error, tolerance, accessibility, satisfaction. They saying that Newton can complete a job creation in 3 minutes. Okay, you know what I'll do is why did it do that? Why is it doing this? All right, I don't know why it did not. So let's go to learnability, then efficiency, um, error, tolerance, then accessibility, then satisfaction. Right, so put this here, put this here, and then let's go to high, high, and then medium. And then description now. So I'll copy all the descriptions. Don't worry, I'll change them back. Or I should say that I'll just edit them. Right. So let's start it off. So let's be like, so average SUS score 75. Let's see. So average SUS score is more than 75 is usable testing. Okay, let me actually, what the hell does that mean though? Okay, what does SUS mean? What does SUS mean? Oh, it actually took it as sus. That's crazy, man, bro. Okay, what does a system usability scale? Okay, average system usability scale is 75 in usability testing. So So it could be like SUS score must be more than 75%. I guess I could probably say this. Then let me remove these things here now. Right, and I'll be like meet accessing meet MWC AGA for color contrast and touching target size support large fonts. So meet SG for color contrast. Okay, let me actually search out what the hell this is. A web content accessibility guide. So meet for color contrast. So I can be like follow W WCAG color follow SG follow and let me say font size and contrast and color contrast. I guess this is one of the guidelines, right? So remove this now. Right, and then let's move to this one now. And I'll be like undo. All right, hold on. Undo for status change and soft delete with confirmation. 1 and 2% of users commit critical error in testing. Going to be like undo for status changes and soft delete with confirmation. I don't get what the hell that I have no idea what that means, to be honest, man. I have no idea what that means. Undo for status changes and soft delete with confirmation. What? Um I guess what the hell no what? Error tolerance. You know what? Okay, I think I get it. So I'll be like I can be like undo changes and then I'll be like and delete button for confirmation. So let's remove all this now. Right, and then there's something as well that I like to do. Let me kind of like drag this some more and then Yeah, let's have it like this maybe, and then make this here a bit smaller. Yeah, there we go. Um, why is this so weird? What the hell? Okay, hold on. Let me control C this. No, why is being so weird, man? Then control C this. Okay, bruh. What the hell? Why is this acting so dumb? What the hell, is follow WC AG font size and color contrast guidelines. All right. I don't know why this is being so weird, but it is what it is. So now let's go to experience user. Experience user can update status and attach a photo within 30 seconds. So I'd be like, um, users can attach a a photo or video and update status within 30 seconds. Right? And then new technical can complete a job creation for flow with 3 minutes on first attempt. So technicons the technicon can complete can I mean I can do I mean I can create a job within 3 minutes. Or let's say on the first attempt. New technicons. Right. All right, ban. But nice. Think I would call it there with this one. I'll do these two here offline, but just kind of like giving you all a kind of like just wanted to like show you some bit of what I've been working on, what I've been doing. So this is pretty much it right there. I don't know why this is acting so dumb, bro. I'll see how I can fix this. I don't know why this is being so dumb, but yeah, I don't get why, bro. But yeah, I'll see that I can fix it some more. But yeah, I hope this was an informative one for you. Hope you all would have learned a thing or two. And yeah, man, I said if you want to know how I was able to like do this so quickly, said let's watch the previous video that I did before. and you see like I was able to like get everything done, everything to flow smoothly. So yeah, make sure you like the video, share, subscribe on the way out, and yeah, catch you back in another video. Peace out, guys.